How am I going to replicate this? I've got to do it multiple times. It's 24 blocks long and 20 wide, which is quite ridiculous when you think about it. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another Minecraft video inside of Place Media. So this is a project that I just came up with the idea of. It's not on the list of projects, but since it's a burning idea I have to do it. This is going to be a massive project. It's going to take up a lot of space. Fun. But hey, two of our dogs, Sophia and Shadow, are already waiting for us. Because I originally recorded this segment, then the recording cut out, which is really annoying. What can you do? So, see that system? Remember that system I showed you at the start of this video? Yeah, we have to build 6 of those. Potentially even 7. So, yes. Which is why we need so much space. So we're going to build it just to, here, Sophia and Shadow, to this side of the circus. So we need some stone bricks, and likely some stone brick stairs. And dark oak fences, because that's what we use to go with water. Hello, you two. Use the I think I got pushed by a chicken, I did. Oops. Ah! What will that keep happening? So yes, so this is going to take a lot of time, so I'm going to do this off camera. So, I had to use commands for this, but the pathway should be long enough now. Hopefully. I'm beginning to regret this decision, and this is just half of it. Not even half of it. Oh yeah. Right, so I believe I might have actually overscaled this building. But that's okay. You can always adjust the scale again at the end. So the first thing we're going to do is a clock circuit. A very basic redstone feature. Before we do that, I do need to grab a sticky piston, so else I don't actually have one of them in my inventory yet. So, how much delay are we going to put on it? Well, 1.5 seconds. So redstone there, redstone there. We're going to replace this with black wool because redstone and sea lanterns don't seem to be a good mix from previous experience. So, oops. Right, then that needs to be red. We need a block there. A block with a repeater on it. And a block there. Which will lead to the dispenser in question. Well, I didn't mean to break that sea lantern. I meant to just break the black wool. And a sticky piston facing that way, red, black wool, and a lever. Now this lever yep. Okay. So that's the first stage done. We now need an ice track. So we need packed ice, water, glass, signs, and pistons. Let's just... So, this needs to be sufficiently long. Then we need tripwire and string. So that then if we put water here and activate the circuit again. Oh, well, let's try that again. So yes. So yes, then you need to build the minecart track. We're going to start off with a button activated one to test it, although the final design probably won't need a button. So, I'm trying to work out what the design was real quick. Be right back. Okay. Need to put the pistons. These pistons need to be activated. So they block the minecart from bouncing. I'm using regular pistons because sticky pistons would just break the rails when they attempt to pull the rails back. So yes. And yeah, I learned that the hard way. Simple, really. Put some torches. And if we put the minecart at the start and press the button, it shouldn't. And if we break this, it'll get stuck on the next one. So each time this tripwire is triggered, the signal will be sent to the pistons. To the torches even, which will turn off the torches and okay, so this system is slightly different, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be the same to the original system that I built in the test world. And as long as it acts the same, I don't really care, to be honest. Oops. Okay, just wanted to make sure it did trigger. That's okay, it did. It triggered. That's all I need to know. Now let's have a look if this system works. Just link it up with redstone. Let's have a look. So, let's put 13 items in. Activate the circuit, see what happens. But wait, the minecart's on the second cycle. So we're going to have to just... So far so good. Does it get to the end? What I'm going to test. The answer is yes, it does get to the end. Okay. That's good. So, now it's going to be quite a difficult part. Then we need to somehow divert the... to make sure that it still goes. Okay. So, this is going to be a tricky part because somehow there's going to be a detector rail here. Now, when this detector rail is triggered, it's going to go to another counting mechanism. Yep, another one. So we're going to build another one right here. Doing that off camera. Well, there's one part of it done. I still don't know how I'm going to fit the rest of this in, actually. So wish me luck on that one. This is taking a long time to design. It is more complicated than I thought it would be. Now, once the 13th one has been triggered, this piston will permanently break the circuit, which means that the NC should go into this passage of water here instead. So I'll somehow link up with this. So let's just wait. Where's the minecart? It's currently 2 away. One away. And of course I need to fix this as well. That didn't work. This didn't activate. Did the signal run out, or... 1 second, lads. Try that again. Now it should work. Right? Let's reset the circuit and try again. Let's see what happens next time the minecart reaches the end. This will probably take several episodes, so yes, I am trying my best here. The system I don't really know very well. But so far, I've had a few teething issues, but that's to be expected. So I'm not actually that surprised. And I had to build this exact same thing once again. And then modify this part of the circuit. So we're a long way from finished. I'm hoping so I don't have to use all this space. So I can just cover it back up with air again. Or grass blocks. That's my intention anyway. Let's see what happens now when it reaches the final segment. This should break the circuit. Does it? It does. That means the next one should end up in this stream of water. Perfect. Okay. Great. Okay, that's fine. Right, the Minecraft 1.21 update came out. Just as I was about to... Well, I need to end this video because we're already getting quite late on. So, yes. I'm going to grab some special guests because I thought I put them in the other end of this path, and I don't think we've seen enough of them. So, goodbye Sophia, goodbye Shadow, goodbye everyone. See you in the next episode.